Hi guys, let's get ready for a stunning festive look today. So first I am taking this Biotics Bio Cucumber Toner and applying it on my face with the help of a cotton pad. Next I am taking this Johnson's Baby Cream and using it as a moisturizer and I am applying it on my whole face. Next I am applying Miss Claire Studio Perfect Primer and I am using it to prime my face so that the makeup which I am gonna apply later above this will not get into my pores. Next I am applying Himalayas Lip Balm on my lips. Next I am going to apply Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation. My shade is 118 Light Beige. I am gonna apply it in the dotted form on my face. And now I am gonna blend it with a brush. Foundation blending is done. Now I am going to take Elegant Pro Concealer and apply it under my eyes, on my upper lips, on my nose, on my forehead, on my chin, beneath my contouring area, and on my eyelids. Now I am going to blend it with the blender. Now I am applying Lakme Rose Powder to bake those areas where I have applied concealer. After applying this powder, you have to wait for 10 minutes and then dust off the powder with a brush. Now I am taking Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette and contouring in the hollow of my cheeks, in my jawline, nose, etc. For blush I am taking this beautiful pink shade and I am applying it on my cheek, little bit on my nose and on my chin. For highlighting I am using this shimmery shade on my cheekbones, on my nose, on my forehead, on my upper lips and chin. Next I am taking Miss Claire eyebrow pencil to shape my eyebrows. Next I am taking a spoolie brush to blend it. Then to set my whole base I am using Miss Claire Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray. For eye makeup I am taking this brown shade and blending on my crease. Next I am taking this golden shimmer and placing it on my eyelids with my finger. Next I am applying Nykaa's Black Magic Liquid Liner. Next I am applying Maybelline Colossal Kajal on my waterline. Next I am taking this black eyeshadow and smudging out my kajal. For mascara I am using this Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara and coating my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes with it. For lipstick I am using this Oriflame's lipstick and applying on my lips. So now that our makeup is over, let's get ready. And here is the final look guys. I hope you liked the look and the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and like my videos. Also share it with your friends and relatives. That's all for today guys. Thank you and bye bye.